About this item: 3.3 FT HDMI to VGA cable. HDMI to VGA cable is ideal for converting and transmitting digital signal from HDMI devices to analog signal VGA devices, monitors, projectors, TV. Note: can't transmit signal from VGA to HDMI monitor. Flicker-free experience. The HDMI male to VGA male adapter supports resolutions up to 1920x1080 at 60 Hz, 1080p Full HD, including 720p, 1600x1200, 1280x1024. Incredible performance. The VGA port contains a built-in active IC chip, low power consumption and stable performance. Gold-plated HDMI/VGA port resists corrosion and abrasion and improve the signal transmission performance. Molded strain relief increases cable durability. Attention: device not supported. HDMI to VGA not compatible with Apple MacBook, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, Apple TV, Sony PS3/PS